SIM card registration, a step-by-step guide. Tired of scammers and spam messages? Fortunately, we now have a law that attempts to curb crimes perpetuated through SMS. The SIM Card Registration Act, otherwise known as the Republic Act No. 11934, will finally take effect starting December 27, 2022. Every SIM card holder, regardless if new or existing, is required to register their SIM cards with their respective telco provider. Registering your SIM card is completely free. If you are an existing prepaid user, you must register within 180 days from the effectivity of the Act. Unregistered SIM cards may automatically be deactivated but may be reactivated within 5 days of deactivation. Meanwhile, you will be considered a new SIM card user if you purchase a SIM card starting December 27. All SIM cards sold from this date will be in deactivated mode. Users can only use it after registering through the online registration form provided by the telco provider. To register your SIM card, you will need to present the following: full name, birthday, sex, present or official address, identification card and ID number, any valid government-issued ID, including passport, Philippine Identification System ID, SSS ID, GSIS ID, driver's license, NBI clearance, police clearance, firearms license to own and possess ID, PRC ID, IBP ID, OWWA ID, BIR ID, voters ID, senior citizen card, UMID PWD card. If you are a post-paid subscriber, you must still confirm your information and data through the online registration form provided by the telco provider. Minors users under the age of 18 will have to register their SIM cards under the name of their parent or guardian. They must present a valid ID and proof of consent from their authorized guardian. Businesses or organizations: if you are using the SIM card for a business, you will need to present the following: business name, business address, full name of authorized signatory. Foreigners also need to register their SIM cards. You will be asked to provide the following details: full name, nationality, date of birth, passport address in the Philippines, type of travel or admission document presented, ID number or number of the document presented. Note: if you hold a tourist visa, your SIM card will only be valid for 30 days. You may request an extension if your visa also extends. What to do if you lose your SIM card? If you lose your SIM card, immediately report it to your respective telco. You will be asked for the following information: name, address, date of birth, mobile subscriber number, other relevant and reasonable information. Penalties for violations: if you don't register your SIM card, you will face the following penalties. First offense: fine from 100,000 to 300,000. Second offense: fine from 300,000 to 500,000. Third and subsequent offense: fine from 500,000 to P1 million for every offense. Selling or transferring your registered SIM card without first complying with the registration requirement, or providing false information to register your SIM card, warrants imprisonment for 6 months to 2 years and a fine from 100,000 to 300,000. Moreover, if you use your registered SIM card to spread inaccurate information to defraud, you will face imprisonment of no less than 6 years, and a fine of 200,000. So you can register your SIM cards as soon as possible. Until then, we'll keep you updated with the latest news, right here at CheckouttheRileys.